to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Quality looks good on this batch. Send it down the line.
The nibs are slowly ground by these heavy stones. This process is essential as it releases the trapped cocoa butter.
We have a spike in the sugar ratio here.
Adjusting the flow rate, it's coming back into balance.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made. Two hat systems from start to finish.